Hello Droxen, hello because Draven. Nice nickname. Okay, so as always, guys, if you wanna check me like some specific instruments, so if you want me to check like Microsoft, for example, like Pepsi, like anything, or like some specific pair, etc., etc. Um, so if you want me to check something, please let me know. If not, I will just like post my technical analysis in HelloDP in premium section, and if you also want, I will do like some trading in like posting in trading channel in free section. So as always, we're gonna start with trading news like for the entire week. Let's see what we're gonna have, and based on it, we can see when we can go like crazy, so we can increase our risk. What days like better to like avoid trading in general, right? So all this kind of stuff. Okay, we're gonna start with the news. On Monday, we don't have like any major news at all. We have like BRICS summit, but it won't affect like anything. Um, on Tuesday, like if you trade in Australian dollar, I would recommend because to stay away from it because it's a rate statement like cash rate, etc. Airbus press conference like not important. So yeah, like Monday, Tuesday gonna be like great. On a Wednesday, it's official cash rate. So once again, if you trade like New Zealand dollar, be aware of it. Like not so many important news except like FOM's meeting, but I usually don't trade during this time. It's a PM session. Things can get crazy, but no. Unemployment claims, yes, might affect, and GDP on Friday. So basically, week won't be volatile. Minimum or maximum of the week will be formed most likely Wednesday, Thursday. Like something like this. So like nothing crazy. It's gonna be like slow week. So it's really nice week for trading. Also, as you can see, it's gonna be like second week of the month. So usually like extremely well like for trading. We'll see how it's gonna be, but from my experience, it's extremely well week for trading. It's gonna be like not volatile, slow, nice. Unless Trump is gonna say some shit, as always, right? Okay, so Thursday, Friday, yeah, that's it. So now checking DXI, what we see like on DXI. Starting with weekly candle, weekly closed bearish, but we're inside of this huge order block, so most likely we're gonna have like some reaction, jumping on a daily. Let's clean it a bit. Yeah, daily close bullish. We have this daily fair value gap. that can be target, and obviously we have some liquidity here. And one more daily Fibonacci gap higher. So obviously we have higher low, 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 so like swing high, swing low, and we're gonna have correction on US dollar all the way up till 97.9. So this is what I expect from dollar within the next couple of weeks, right? So based on it, so this fair value gap won't be important, and it will be ignored. We might get some reaction from it, but most likely it will be ignored. And now I will expect the price like to pump on the XI. Based on it, first of all, let me send analysis. DXI. Based on it, we can open Euro and look at the Euro, and yeah, we have like similar picture here. It's a huge order block, huge one. We're definitely gonna get reaction from here, and I would expect price to move lower. How low it's gonna be? There are like two options. This one, so it can be this swing low and this swing high, or this one. In this case, so we're gonna expect 1.3% move down, or almost like 3%. And I cannot tell you like for sure what to expect, but based on this equal lows, most likely year will keep going lower all the way down to take out all this liquidity that's been built here for like a long time. So probably we will see move down almost like 3% within the next couple of weeks. Okay, so for Euro, like two options: pump then dump, or it will dump straight here. So this area where I will be expecting some reaction. I don't expect like price to move like anywhere higher. Yeah, we can see like move till previous weekly high, which is gonna be like this one from Tuesday, July 1st, right? But yeah, we have liquidity, have this fair value gap. Yeah, definitely. Well, at least my first target gonna be like 115 and 6. So this is like first zone where we'll expect like some reaction. So Euro, great. Yeah, British pound. Yeah, British pound has like better picture. It's a great market shift already on 4 hours, so most likely price will go all the way down. So British pound, yeah, it has like better picture, definitely. So expecting something like this, and at least we have like 1 to 2 trade. 1 to 2 trade. Okay, so yeah, I'm expecting price to go down. Yeah, we'll definitely get reaction from this forward gap and order block, 100%. But final target gonna be like this area. On a weekly, everything been tested here. Yeah, weekly closed like bullish. Yeah, like this area. I expect like move all the way down. Okay, now gold. External liquidity been taken. Check weekly. This like we took like all external liquidity or like internal. Yeah, it's probably internal liquidity. Did we take liquidity from this low? Yes, on the futures it's been taken. This low been taken, but on spot right now we have equal lows, right? So it's kind of tricky picture because in the daily we're inside of the range. It's obviously a range. If we use also fixed volume profile, majority of the volume been consolidated in this area. It's like in 50%. So it's like it's showing us that this is the range, and most likely this is distribution because gold like went up like too high. If we jump on the 4 hours, there is no shift, nothing, and I think it will be pump and then dump. But it's hard to say. It's hard to say. Because what can happen with the gold? Like move all the way down till this equal lows, and then or like move the like high here to test like this order block. We have like this order block has been formed. Yeah, it's a huge one. It hasn't been tested yet. Order block. Or we will see just like push all the way up and then move downwards. Something like this. I don't expect anything. So like gold, probably no. I will watch gold, will try to trade it, but most likely I'm gonna skip it. So you see. Oh my god, guys. My bad. Dino. Trucks like, yeah. Fupodan, sorry. So, yeah. Gold. Yeah, I just like been doing like stream. It's a private stream, so nobody can see it. I guess. No. So, but I forgot to share it in Discord. Okay, so yeah, like for gold, it's a move all the way up here till order block and then move downwards. Is the only way I can see price will reverse if it break above previous daily high or like high from Thursday, right? Is the only way I can see it because this liquidity has to be taken. Or price will go like down and this was just manipulation, liquidity sweep, this one, and price will keep going lower till the equal lows. Will take internal sell side liquidity because we took buy like internal buy side liquidity, this one from this high. So gold a bit tricky. Yeah, gold a bit tricky. Euro like clean, British pound like even cleaner, but yeah, probably something like this. I will also show forex. Okay, let's go back. DXI, a quick DXI. Push down till 96.8 or something like this, and then it will go like all the way up to like rebalance into the premium and fill this fair value gap and take all liquidity, all internal liquidity. British pound most likely will keep going down, kind of clean, great market shift or charge, you can call it like however you want. and move downwards. But it's not a shift, like it's not a trend shift on like 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, but it's already a really good sign of change of character. Euro is not that clean as British pound, but still, most likely it will keep going lower. Gold a bit dirty, so we'll keep an eye on it during the week, but most likely it's gonna be British pound or euro. I'm gonna trade like this instruments. Okay. German 40 only down. Weekly closed as immediate rebalance. Yeah, it's immediate rebalance. Kind of bullish, but I think price will keep going lower. We need like we tested this order block on a weekly. This one. Let me mark. Yeah, this order block. Tested 0.5 exactly. No wait. So order block like top and bottom. The test happened already. And now we see like aggressive sell movement. What can happen? Have this equal highs. Equal highs. And this fair value gap, but it's like too deep. Most likely. Price will go down. Because I don't see like any zones here. Actually, this fair value gap. But it's been tested. No. So I see like two options here. This one, or it will go down like straight down. So two options: this high and this low. We'll see how this low will be taken. This lows, and based on it, I will make my decision what I'm gonna do. Actually, like 1% pump on Monday sounds about right. To take out all the buy side liquidity and then move downwards. Yeah, looks nice to me. Looks nice to me. So German 40 gonna be my instrument of choice. Yeah, I think it's gonna be pump on Monday. Gonna be pump. What I don't wanna see it's a dump first and then pump. I wanna pump, like I want a straight pump here. Take this liquidity and then dump. Can go like all the way down till previous monthly low. No. Mm, 4 hours for a gap. Okay, one sec, guys. Mm-hmm. Okay, next one. Guys, like if you want me to check something specific for you, maybe you trade like forks, some exotic pairs, please let me know, so I will have a look. Okay. Nasdaq. As we talked about it, it can be one huge deviation. And I'm not sure yet. It can slowly go down and then just like it's all-time high. I don't wanna like open like anything here. I don't wanna. Accept shorts, but it's like an uptrend. So we have this fair value gap. So let's assume we don't have this range, like nothing. We have this fair value gap. We have this huge order block. Until this area is breaking down here from here, and price jump all the way down and breaking this area, like I'm bullish, right? I'm not talking about like trades, I'm just like in general, I'm bullish. So long trades will give like, will have a high win rate. But what happened on the last couple days, well, like from Friday, yeah, like Friday was kind of bearish, but it was like holiday, so it's extremely dirty. Yeah, well, at least we'll go to this fair value gap on 1 hour. This is like what I can say. I can tell for sure about it. If this fair value gap will be nivellated, right, like invalidated, then I will expect like price to go to this daily fair value gap with also daily order block. Kinda that's it. And when price will get to this area, only then I will make my decision what to do next. But if it will gonna be like aggressive drop, then it will be market shift on like 1 hour, because last swing low been here. Yeah, this is what I see at least. Yeah, pretty much that's it. So in German 40. Let's check BTC. I'm kind of curious what happening with script now. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. Weekly. Huh. So let's assume we have this trend line. By the way, like crypto really loves like trend lines. It's just something that works perfectly on cryptocurrency. have this trend line, right? Let's jump on 12 hours. Can do him in, yeah, this one. This is not clean breakout. You can think about like this is a test, but no. We have like 4 touches. Let's check volume. No. I don't believe in it. So what can happen? It's once again, it's all depends on. It's all about Nasdaq. Nasdaq has similar picture. So inside of this order block, that also took liquidity from these highs, from June's highs, and if it breaks below 107,000, then most likely BTC will go all the way down, and it's gonna be 93k. Because this is not a clear, like, this is how crypto usually like doing breakouts, right? Let me show you. Here you go. Consolidation. Breakout, test, pump. Another one. Breakout, test, pump. Just like breakout or just pump. So here it's not clean. So I wouldn't recommend to jump into this trade here. Pretty much that's it, guys. If you don't have any questions, I will end stream. So thank you for watching, probably, like, if you don't have questions, and have a great day. But yeah, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.